Right guys, so the garden's getting a bit overgrown and a bit of a mess, so we'll take you around to have a look and see what we're going to do. So you can see all the grass is getting overgrown, there's bits and bobs everywhere. So first I think we're going to have a tidy up of all the materials and then we can start attacking the overgrown grass. Right guys, as you would have just seen, struggled for a half hour trying to get this spool back in, but hopefully this works now.
Looks like the little robin is loving the new cut grass.
So we've just cleared the spot free from the pallets and all the wood, but we didn't realise the guys who did the render was poor old concrete left over here, so we got a nice concrete slab patio in our garden. So this pile here guys is the leftover materials from this build. It's materials I ripped out from rafters and it's materials I ripped out from the shed which was behind Natasha.
A big shout out to anybody that remembers us taking down this shed. Leave a comment down below if you do remember it.
A lot of it is pretty good, a lot of it's tantalised, so I've left it out over the year. We've been using bits of it for little noggins and whatever we've needed to, temporary pattracing. Excellent bit of timber, but we can slowly work our way through it one day and then bin the rest of it.
He's caught a live one, guys. Oh.
One thing we've noticed guys, anytime we do some sort of excavation or cleaning up or clearing grass, just like that robin over there, they can see all the insects, the bugs, and they come straight down, they start picking away at them, and it's really cool to watch because you know, a nice tree by there with a nest in, and there's a nice bit of nature.
Yeah, the only one thing that we don't actually like is that a tree nest did fall out of, obviously, the tree, and it landed on the office the other day. And then we had lots of birds on the office, and we got a rubber EPDM roof, so they were pecking away. That was the only annoying thing, but to be honest, we love the nature, so we can't wait until we do this garden properly. And then we got lots of plants, birds, herb gardens. Look, they're so friendly as well. They just come down to us. So nice. And then we're in the middle of the city centre too, which is yeah, I didn't realise there would be that many birds here, but it's cool. So in this section of the garden, which is the downside of where the office is, we have these tall plants which have been growing. So the plan is to try and get them out. Oh, we've even got some stingies which are growing in between all this mud. So we'll try and get all this out. So put on the GoPro and you can see us get on. So you can really see how big these plants have grown. But they've only been growing, how many months did you say, Rhys? A few months? Madness.
As you would have seen in the time lapse, guys, we've had a good clear out of the garden. A lot of weeds and grass is gone, and we've cleared up some of the mess.
Now that the garden is all clear, we have a job left to do. That is the fascia and soffit. So you can see in the office, we have the fascia and soffit done. But as you come to the back of the office, so this is all done. We haven't finished here. So this has been like this for about a year now. So we've just cleared everything away because there was like some branches coming through this wall. And Rhys is going to start cutting the fascia, no, could be called a soffit, under here and get this all put back in. This is the pile of fascia and soffit and guttering, so we're going to use this.
Right guys, so I'm using this Irwin floorboard saw to cut the fascia. I find it goes through quite quickly. You can use an angle grinder with a slitting disc on it, but I find there's a lot of dust that goes everywhere and it's quite annoying. The soffit we've got from Principality Plastics. It is a year old, so please mind the mess, and is in RAL 7016, which is anthracite grey.
No way, is that a perfect fit?
No. Oh shit.
Right, Rhys has just finished all of the soffit. The next task is to finish off putting this fence, it's not a fence, it's cladding, onto the back of here. It's painted with fire retardant paint. We have them over here, which are painted, and they've just been sat there for about a year, so they need to go on. Now that the cladding, the soffits are complete, we have some guttering, which has been, again, laying around here for over a year, that needs to go up. So we've got some brackets and Rhys is going to start installing them now. As we've left this gutter in for so long, you can see here that it's warped. So we're going to get the heat gun on it later and try and unwarp it. But yeah, don't leave stuff outside for a year. Thanks for joining us this week, where we've cleaned out the garden, finished the fascia and soffit, and put the cladding on the back of the office. Join us in next week's video, where we will be painting the exterior extension. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.